Hey, so today's video is all about tight hamstrings and the problems that they can cause. So when a muscle gets tight, it shortens. When a muscle shortens, it's going to bring the two attachment points closer together. So in the hamstring, the attachment points are in on the pelvis and down by the knee. So when the muscle tightens, it shortens and brings those 2 points together. Now, your body will adapt to this posture change caused by the hamstrings being tight. It'll adapt because you don't walk around like this, right? So what starts to occur is your lower back flattens out. You lose the curve in your lower back. And then it's a cascade all the way up to the shoulders and neck. Lose the curve in your low back, shoulders round forward, and your head comes forward. So now you end up with a very, very straight spine, which is not good in this position, and your head forward. The hamstrings, by unlocking them or getting them loose, you can help to reverse all of that so that it allows your pelvis back into a neutral position, increasing your low back arch, and allows you to bring your shoulders and your head back into a neutral posture. So this is one muscle group that can cause a whole cascade of problems if it's not properly stretched. So now is a great time, since most of us are out of our normal routine, to build in a stretching routine into your day. So if you have low back pain, you need to be careful about the ways that you do stretch the hamstring. One of the easiest ways to do that is to sit in a chair and to bring your leg forward, and you would bring your toes forward. So I'll bring this wobble chair over and demonstrate. So you're gonna raise your leg and you're gonna lean forward. Most people will feel a stretch in that area, but just by doing that, doing it seated. Now, if you're able to, obviously one of the easiest ways is to bend over and touch your toes. The goal is not necessarily to touch your toes. The goal is to feel a stretch through the back of the leg while keeping your knees straight. If you bend your knees, you're cheating. If you can only get this far because your hamstrings are so tight, that's fine. Start there and work your way up. These stretches should be done at least one time a day, holding the stretch from anywhere from 30 to 60 seconds. When you stretch deeply, you can induce some soreness. So if you do this and you have a lot of tightness, don't be surprised if the next day you're a little bit sore. Go slow at first and build up your time as you feel your flexibility increasing. It is possible to overstretch and cause an injury, so we don't want that either. So again, slow and steady wins the race with flexibility training, and just start the practice now. It's a great time to do it. Take care. We'll see you soon.